Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're here ready to travel. Well, it seems like the entire country is shut down, so we're going to do a little trail walking here at Dark Hollows Falls in Shenandoah Valley. This will probably be about a 2 or 3 minute video, just highlights of the trail. It's about a 2 mile up and back, and might take me an hour and a half or so, because I'm just going to take my time and enjoy nature. Definitely a lot easier coming down. Steep going back up. But we're not in a hurry. We're enjoying nature. And a beautiful day out. That was definitely a good climb to get your heart rate going. Awesome rock formations around here. A lot of people actually out here. Sunlight's right in the way, but still pretty cool to see. Well, just about another 200 more feet and we are out of this trail. Just a few more steps and across the bridge, and that is the Dark Hollows Trail. Well, that was a good little hike, 1.8 miles, and it took me 2 hours. Of course, I took my time, was joining the scenery. As you can see behind me, there are a lot of cars here, a lot of people on the trail. Met a lot of great people. There was one group, I should have filmed them. It was a father coming down with a baby in a stroller. The mom was carrying an infant. One guy had his kid on a backpack. I don't know, some people, I wonder about them. I hope he made it. Good luck carrying that stroller down. But anyway, that was a good little hike. Temperature out was about 75 today, a little breezy. And that's going to do it from Dark Hollows Falls Trails here in Shenandoah Valley. And on that note, traveler out. Everybody be safe.